Welcome to the NoteX Workspace, where everything you need to capture, organize, and manage your notes is in one place. Let's take a quick tour. The home page is where you'll spend most of your time. From here, you can instantly start recording or create AI notes in the way that works best for you, whether it's a live meeting, an uploaded file, a YouTube video, plain text, or a web page. Need quick answers? Use Nova AI Chat to ask questions, generate summaries, and get instant insights. As your workspace grows, Search makes it easy to find notes, folders, or specific content in seconds using keywords. To help you stay organized, Upcoming Meetings keeps all your scheduled meetings in one place, while Folders let you organize meetings, projects, and ideas into a clean, structured workspace that's easy to navigate. NoteX also includes helpful resources to support your workflow. If you'd like to partner with NoteX, the affiliate program lets you share NoteX with your audience and earn recurring commissions. Whenever you need support, the Help Center gives you quick access to user guides, community resources, contact information, and answers to common questions, all in one place. Looking to learn more? Video tutorials offer step-by-step guides to help you get started with NoteX. Explore tutorials for recording and meetings, learn how to create AI notes, and discover more AI features. In Settings, you can personalize your workspace, manage your account preferences, configure advanced features, and customize your overall NoteX experience. Your profile gives you a quick overview of your account. Check your current plan, monitor your remaining recording minutes and AI note usage, upgrade your subscription, view your app version, or sign out, all from one convenient place. That's it! You now have a complete overview of the NoteX Workspace and are ready to start creating smarter, more organized AI notes. NoteX. Capture fast. Think smart. Work better.